Welcome. If you want to turn on or turn off the autocorrection in your ZTE Axon 11 5G, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now let's scroll down, click on the system, tap on the languages and input, and go for the current keyboard. And as you can see, currently we got here the Gboard, so we have to move for the virtual keyboard. And right now select our Gboard, enter text correction options, and as you can see right here we got the autocorrection. So if you want to turn it off, tap on the switcher, and when you want to turn it on, just make it on the blue color. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.